let us study the chemical properties of noble gases. See, we all know that all noble gases are very inert in nature, that doesn't combine with any other elements, and that is why they are called inert gases. So the chemical property or chemistry of noble gases is confined to only the chemistry of xenon. Because xenon is the only noble gas whose compounds are known to us. Though we know few compounds of krypton, but basically it is the xenon which forms the compounds, and out of these all 6 noble gases. So out of this helium, neon, argon, krypton and xenon, it is the only xenon whose compounds are known to us. Krypton though forms compounds, but they are very few, and that's not included in the syllabus even. It mainly forms krypton fluoride sort of compounds. Now the most important thing to note is that why the xenon is the only one which is able to form compounds is that because down the group what we find is ionization enthalpy decreases. So it's most easiest to take out electron from xenon, and atomic size increases. So that's why, because of these reasons, xenon is the one whose compounds we can form. Now, till 1962, their compounds were not known to us. It was only this great British scientist Neil Bartlett who actually was studying the oxidizing nature of this PTF6 compound, platinum hexafluoride, and he was the one who made the red colored compound out of this PTF6 when it reacted this compound with oxygen. So when he combined this compound with the oxygen, what he got? O2 plus PTF6 minus. So that was a compound which was formed. It was like this. We can call this as oxonium hexafluoridoplatinate 5. This was a red colored compound. Now when he got this compound, this Neil Bartlett, he was surprised that oxygen molecules ionization energy is 1175 kilojoules per mole. So when he was knowing this, when he saw that this PDF6 is able to take out even electron from this very stable oxygen molecule which is having an ionization enthalpy of 1175 kilojoule per mole, then he thought that yes, then this compound PDF6 can also take out electron from a very stable element called noble gas xenon, whose ionization enthalpy is 1170 kilojoules per mole. So that's why when he made this xenon react with this PTF6, he got the first compound of xenon plus PTF6 minus. And this is how he started developing or forming more and more different compounds of xenon. That's why, remember, the chemistry of noble gases is only the chemistry of xenon and xenon also. Let's talk about now xenon. Xenon form compounds only with fluorine and oxygen. There are reasons for this, because they are the only two most powerful oxidizing agents we can have. They are the only two capable elements which can take out electron from the very stable xenon. That's why it's mainly form fluorides and oxides and oxyfluorides. Now, the compounds of xenon can be confined into 3 categories: xenon, fluorides, xenon, oxyfluorides, and third category is xenon oxide. Let us study each of these one by one.